In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable Ubuntu USB flash drive using the terminal in Ubuntu. This method uses a command line tool called dd. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T together, or you can search for terminal in your applications. Next, insert your USB flash drive into your computer. Now, we need to identify the device name of your USB drive. Type the following command, lsblk, press Enter. This command lists all the block devices connected to your system. Look for your USB drive in the list. You can identify it by its size. For example, if your USB drive is 8 GB, look for a device with a size of approximately 7.5 G. Note the device name, such as /dev/sdb. Be careful to identify the correct device, as selecting the wrong one can result in data loss. Before we proceed, we need to unmount the USB drive. To do this, type the command showing on the screen. Then just replace /dev/sdx with your USB device name. Press Enter. Now, we will use the dd command to write the Ubuntu ISO file to the USB drive. To do this, type the command showing on the screen. Then just replace /path/ to /ubuntu.iso with the actual path to your Ubuntu ISO file and /dev/sdx with your USB device name. Press Enter. This command will take some time to complete. The status =sign progress option will show you the progress of the operation. Once the process is complete, you can safely remove your USB drive. Type this, sudo eject /dev/sdx and replace the /dev/sdx with your actual name. Press Enter. Your bootable Ubuntu USB flash drive is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial.